Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Anija, student ID number 20T05 30 and 86. I am from Department of Economic Education, Faculty of Economic and Business. Okay, my friend, now I want to explain to you what is the cubic function, exponential function. In this presentation, the first I want to explain to you about the cubic function. And the second is exponential function. Cubic function or third degree function is a function whose his power and variable are third powers. Formulation of cubic function in mathematics. A cubic function or power of 3 function is a function of the form fx equal ax3 plus bx2 plus cx and plus d, which a non-zero value, or in other words, polynomial of other 3. Cubic function. An example of cubic equation is minus 2x3 plus 4x2 minus x plus 2 equals 0. The prime equation for our cubic formula is y equals x3. This means that our cubic function can be described as transformation of this parent function. In this slide, I will explain about draw a cubic function that only has inflection point with both extreme point. We can see the three picture about the extreme point. Draw a cubic function that has extreme point that is the maximum and minimum point in the draw of a cubic function. Extreme point and turning point of function cubic. The maximum and minimum points of cubic function, if any, as well as inflection point, can be found by tracing the first and the second derivatives of function. The first derivative is useful for determining the location of the inflection point. The following is a cubic function bend its derivative and their relationship graphically. Y equals fx is at the maximum extreme point. Y equals fx is at the minimum extreme point. The first derivative is at the extreme point, in this case the minimum point. The second title is the exponential function. In this presentation, I will explain two title about the cubic function and exponential function. And in this slide, I want to explain to you what is the exponential function. Exponential function are non-algebraic or transcendental function that cannot be represented as product, sum, and difference of variable raised to non-negative integers. Exponential function. An exponential function is a function with a power where the power has a variable. If usually a function has a base in the form of a variable and power or exponent in the form of constant, then an exponential function is the opposite. Exponents serve to describe the relationship between the number being raised and the given exponent. An exponential function can be written with the notation fx equals ax, where is the base of the function and x is the given exponent. For example, if a equals to, the exponential function is fx equals to x. Exponential function form. The exponential function has the general form is fx equals ax. A is the constant and x is the variable. Okay, my friend, this is the last slide about presentation of the exponential function. And the slide, I will explain to you about the curve of exponential function. In the slide, I put the picture about the curve, the exponential function, and we can learn with the see the picture in this slide. Okay, my friend, thanks for your attention, and I hope you understand about my presentation in this video. And if you get my mistake, I apologize. On the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.